First, let's review how to find notes on the keyboard. The piano has black keys and white keys. The black keys come in sets of 2 and 3. Find a set of 2 black keys. The note between them is D. Once you know D, you know that the note right before it is C, and the note right after it is E, because all the white keys are in alphabetical order, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now let's build a chord. A C major chord is C, E, and G. Practice playing each of these chords until you can switch between them quickly and comfortably. Then you'll be able to play the song. E minor chord is E, G, and B. A minor chord is A, C, and E. G major chord is G, B, and D. F major chord is F, A, and C. D minor chord is D, F, and A. Here's the chord pattern we'll use for both the verse and the chorus. We'll play the pattern twice. We'll play the next pattern of 4 chords as a pre-chorus before we sing the chorus. Now we go to the chorus, but this time let's make it even better. Once you can play the chord pattern, try adding the chord roots with your left hand. When you put the chord roots together with the chords and add a little rhythm, it starts to sound just like the song. Now you know the whole song. Use the sing-along video to practice playing the chords along with the music.